Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Today we have a gorgeous 1954 Mercury Monterey two-door. Got the owner here, Frank's going to tell us a little bit about it. How you doing today, Frank?
Good. How are you?
Man, you own this thing a long time, huh?
Yeah, probably 18 years. I built it, body off, ground up, restoration. It's an older restoration, but it wasn't a beauty queen. I've driven it all over the place, and we even drove it to Lake George for the Adirondacks Nationals in 2014. And so they closed the road, and that's all you see the whole weekend. Drove nice up there. I drive it all over. It probably only has, since I built it, 6,000 miles on it.
Wow.
That's about it.
Nothing.
But it's nose deck shaved handles. It's got a 292 punch 60 over with a cam and tri-power and headers, and roll and pleat interior. And it's got the Royal Lancer hubcaps on it.
Yep.
It's a nice driver.
It's
Like I
beautiful.
said, if you want
paint.
something,
God, Frank.
and it's a straight car.
The paint is like gorgeous. Reach your hand right into it. How old is the paint?
Probably 10 years old.
You drove it a lot with just primered, right?
Primer, yeah. I won trophies in primer, and I won trophies in with the paint.
Man, it is just deep. You can see.
I can't tell you how much the sanding was on the paint. Hours and days and days.
Sanded it like 100 times.
Yeah.
God. And the body lines are just killer. Brand new radials all the way around, right?
Yeah.
Lake pipes.
Lake pipes, and it's got electronic flamethrowers on.
Cool.
It doesn't do anything to the engine. It only burns the unburnt gas out of the exhaust, and it's really neat.
Oh, you're definitely showing me that. These spears are like brand new.
They
Where'd
are.
you find those?
Carlisle, the NOS in the box. I had gotten them.
Oh, lucky Jesus. The fitment, the lines on this car, just gorgeous.
Rear bumper is show chrome. That's the only one I did. I got it Carlisle.
Oh, the bumper guy?
Yeah. And it's got the steel packs.
Those are rare. They're not glass, they're steel.
They're steel.
Yeah. These are old school, man. Sounds so nice, though. You know?
My wife likes it. I mean, you don't get a woman too much that likes it. The louder the better, but that's my wife.
It's like my wife, too. Turn it up. Let's check out under the hood.
And it's got a Jensen stereo system in it.
There she is, 292.
292.
Runs nice and cool.
Yep. It's got a custom aluminum radiator.
Man, I paid a good buck for that. That is gorgeous. Love the Offenhauser setup.
Yep. There's a lot of Offenhauser parts on there.
I mean, this block alone, that's period.
Yep.
That is so cool. So many little parts on here that are just impossible to find now.
It's the old Y block, but it's like I went with the 292, old school setup. And it's got electronic ignition. I put in
Cool. 12 volt.
12 volt.
Even the Offenhauser headers.
And it's got the 97 carbs.
Oh, okay. Yeah, those are so hard to find, man. This whole setup. Cool. Let's fire it up. Damn, it sounds so nice. Nice.
And then if you put it in low gear, you go down, as long as you're moving, like right now, you have to control over the, so don't kill it.
Yeah.
But if you're going down a hill or stuff and you put it to the whole momentum of the car, it'll send the whole length of a road with flames.
That's great. 50, showing 53,102 miles. Jensen stereo, rocks. It's got full gauges. Oil, water, volts, and fuel. Little realistic FM booster. Remember those from back in the day. What a nice mural, Frank. What's that from?
That's my wife had one Christmas had that done for me. It's my son's name on it, but it's a period old hamburger joint.
Cool. Nicky's. That's great. Love it. Interior's gorgeous. Headliner. It's ready to go. Turn the key, huh? Love it. 699's back there? Yeah. What a nice car, Frank. Can we go for a quick spin?
Yeah. It's got the old Merco-Matic in it, but I had it all tweaked up from the transmission place that works on all the old stuff, and it shifts really good.
Shift kit.
It's a shift kit, and it's a 2-speed, but they used to use the 2 speeds in the old race cars.
Yeah, Powerglides.
Yeah.
Strong tranny. Man, so nice. Not a squeak out of this car. She's pretty reliable, huh?
It is.
Drive her all over the place.
Go up to Lake George.
It's some trip, man.
It was a fun weekend. Still trying to find my way around here.
Guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a shout. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website,